Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can see blocked list on the Instagrams. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So let's start video. Firstly, open the Instagram and you will see profile icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it. And you will see three lines on top right. Click on it. And then you will see setting options. Click on it. And then you will see privacy options. Click on it, and then scroll down the page and you will see blocked account options. Click on it. So you can see blocked account list on the Instagram. So in this way you can see blocked list on the Instagram. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.